The year 2020 has made changes to people around the globe through the revolution of technology as well as the globalization. Diversities in culture, religion, ethics are everywhere, but are the diversities we have in between are likely to drift us apart or treat us as one?
Ayu, a high school Indonesian girl, was on her flight to California, United States of America, attending a student exchange program in one of the best high schools in the city, Northwest Senior High School. After around 12 hours on the plane, she finally arrived at Los Angeles International Airport and headed straight to Northwest Senior High School in a minivan with other students who are also participating in the student exchange program. Ayu was enjoying the view from the van window as someone approached her. "Hey, what is that on your head that you're wearing?" a British girl asked. Ayu turned her body over to look at who's talking. "Excuse me?" Ayu said. "This is a hijab." The British girl doesn't seem to be satisfied with Ayu's answer. "But that's just weird. On the contrary, it's summer. Don't you feel like burning the outfit you're wearing?" said Alice, the British girl. Ayu was out of words as she didn't know how to explain herself to Alice. Then a Korean girl went in between them. "Sorry to interrupt, but the hijab she's wearing is part of her beliefs, and I don't think you have the right to take control of what she's wearing," the Korean girl said. Alice rolled her eyes and left the both of them. Ayu turned over to the Korean girl that saved her from Alice's attack and thanked her. "Hi, I'm Ayu. I'm from Indonesia. It's a pleasure to meet you. And you?" asked Ayu. "I'm Sunhee from South Korea. It's a pleasure to meet you too, Ayu. By the way, I really love your outfit," said Sunhee. Ayu was very happy in meeting Sunhee, as she met someone who respected her in spite of the diversities they had in between. As the students arrived in Northwest Senior High School, they went to the community area to re-register themselves. Then, they were led to the dorm to each of their rooms where their names were written on the front door. Ayu found her name on the door of room 2 and went inside where 4 other girls were there too. She was shocked when Alice was there too. "Oh, hello, winter girl in summer," said Alice. Ayu did nothing but ignore her. The night of lecture began by 8 p.m. as everyone gathered in the auditorium. The event was started by Mr. James' speech as the school principal, giving his vision and mission about this event. Hassana went to the stage first. "I'm Hassana from Nigeria. Yes, I'm black. Obviously, I got discriminated a lot by that. I was originally from Nigeria, a country in Africa where we, the people, often got treated unequally due to our skin tone. Some people even treated us like trash. But nothing can change us. Nothing can change our skin tone, our culture, our ethnicity. But that is what makes us unique. And I hope nothing but to be treated fairly as a human being." Ayu went next. "Hi, I'm Ayu from Indonesia. I'm a Muslim. Yes, this is a hijab I'm wearing. A lot of people might have been questioning about the outfit I'm wearing, and I got labeled as a terrorist a few times. Well, I had no explanation rather than saying that this is simply my pride in being a Muslim. This is my beliefs. I enjoy wearing it, as it is an obligation for me as a Muslim woman. I hope nothing but for people to respect what I believe and to be treated equally." Alice felt something in her chest that made her want to cry when hearing those lectures. She held her tears and went to the stage. Hello, I'm Alice from England. Well, it's hard for me to say this, but honestly, my heart was torn to pieces when hearing those lectures. It's quite rare to hear Britain got discriminated. Yet, I did got discriminated, and yes, I did discriminate others too. It took a moment for me to realize what's the point of this discrimination, racism, and prejudice. It resulted in nothing but tearing us apart from each other. We might have come from different countries, ethnicities, we might have different skin tones and beliefs, but isn't that what makes this world a colorful place to live in? The diversities between us aren't supposed to break our bond, but are the reason why we should unite as one.
The night went so emotional. It was the best night where people from different countries, cultures, ethnicities, and beliefs realized that the act of discrimination does not result in any benefit, yet breaks the unity amongst people all over the world.
Harmony makes little things grow, lack of it makes great things decay. Let's stick together, then we will win. Just take some time to say hi. We are all under the same sky.